Good afternoon, sir. In this video, I will demonstrate how to scan for vulnerabilities using Burpsuit. I will show how to intercept requests for form SQL injection, XSS attack, and identify and secure object reference. That's all. Then see you in the for activity. I will upload. That's all. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. I will be doing the cross-site scripting the XSS attack. Locate search bar, comment box, inject the XSS payload in Burpsuit, capture the request of the data. Okay. We'll be doing search bar. No. Forward it, then we'll go like that, and in query we will put the XSS attack, then forward, then it can easily attack by XSS attack because once it is very vulnerable on XSS attack. And in this on XSS attack, because cookies often store login, session styling, could let attackers like accounts, they can log in a website without needing a password. So that's all in the XSS attack. Thank you.